Hello friends, welcome to Global Online University. Friends, I am Bahubali Desai. In this video, we are going to discuss some important MCQs on people development and environment for your upcoming KSET 2021. Friends, for KSET 2021, registration has been started on our Global Online University app for batch 1 and also for batch 2. And you can register by downloading Global Online University app, and you can also register on WhatsApp group. Friends, here we are going to provide you 40 mock tests for paper 1 preparation. I hope if you attend this 40 tests, you can score more than 17 paper 1, and all these tests are available only at rupees 999. These tests are very helpful to assess your preparation level. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ 40 ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ಗಳು ನಿಮಗೆ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿಯೂ ಕೂಡ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇವೆ. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿಯೂ ಕೂಡ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳು, ಉತ್ತರಗಳು, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಎಲ್ಲವೂ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿಯೂ ಕೂಡ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಈ 40 ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ಗಳು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಿದ್ಧತೆಯನ್ನು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಸಲು ನಿಮಗೆ ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಸಹಾಯಕವಾಗಿವೆ. So this is the schedule of batch 1. If you join now also, you will get all the tests at a time. Up to 22 23 you will get all the tests at a time, and remaining tests you will get according to the timetable. And if you join batch 2, you will get daily 2 tests. And if you go through this Karnataka set test series 2021, here we are going to provide you 40 mock tests for paper 1 preparation with 1000 MCQs PDF, and you can also download all the 40 tests with help of the all the 40 tests in the form of PDF ebook. We are going to provide you complete study material will be available in English and also in Kannada only at rupees 999. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ 40 ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ಗಳ ಜೊತೆಗೆ 1000 MCQ ಪಿ ಡಿ ಎಫ್ ಅನ್ನು ನೀಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ನ ಪಿ ಡಿ ಎಫ್ ಅನ್ನು ನೀವು ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೋದು. ಟು ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ದೀಸ್ 2 numbers. You can just send one WhatsApp message also. And to make payment, you can download Global Online University app, select KSET paper 1 category, click on 999 plan, you can make payment. Or else you can also make payment directly on this number via any mobile payment. So once if you pay the fees, you will be added to our paid WhatsApp group, which is especially made for KSET paper 1. And here you will get the links of the 40 tests, PDF of all the tests, notes you can download from this group, 1000 MCQs PDF you will get here, and you can discuss on MCQs in this WhatsApp group. And for regular updates, you can join to our Telegram group. The link will be given in the description box. Yes, let us move to the questions. Here the question is, a food web is to show. Option A, how feeding relationships are interlinked. Option B, how several food chains are connected together. Option C, who eats what. Option D, all of the above. ಆಹಾರ ವೆಬ್ ಫುಡ್ ವೆಬ್ ನಮಗೆ ಏನನ್ನ ತೋರಿಸ್ತದೆ. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ, ಆಹಾರದ ಸಂಬಂಧಗಳು ಹೇಗೆ ಪರಸ್ಪರ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಹೊಂದಿವೆ ಎಂಬುದನ್ನು. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಹಾರ ಸರಪಳಿಗಳನ್ನು ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಜೋಡಿಸಲಾಗಿದೆ ಎಂಬುದನ್ನು. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ, ಯಾರು ಏನು ತಿನ್ನುತ್ತಾರೆ ಎಂಬುದನ್ನು. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಡಿ, ಮೇಲಿನ ಎಲ್ಲ. ಎಸ್, ಹಿಯರ್ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಡಿ, ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಅಬೌವ್ ಆರ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಿ food web. Yes, in food web it shows how feeding relationships are interlinked, and also it shows who eats what and how the several food chains are interlinked. In this way, all of the above are the right answer. ಆಹಾರ ವೆಬ್ ಫುಡ್ ವೆಬ್ ಎಂಬುದು ಆಹಾರ ಸಂಬಂಧಗಳು ಹೇಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಹೊಂದಿವೆ, ಆಹಾರ ಸರಪಳಿಗಳನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ಜೋಡಿಸಲಾಗಿದೆ, ಯಾರು ಏನನ್ನು ತಿನ್ನುತ್ತಾರೆ ಎಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನಮಗೆ ಫುಡ್ ವೆಬ್ ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತದೆ. Here you can see the food web or food, it is also known as the food cycle. Yes, it is the natural interconnection of food chains and graphical representation of who eats what. Yes, please remember it. Food web, it is the graphical representation of who eats what. Another name for food web is consumer resource system. Yes, please remember this also. Food web is also known as the consumer resource system. Yes, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫುಡ್ ಎಂಬುವುದು ಯಾವುದು ಯಾವುದನ್ನು ತಿನ್ನುತ್ತದೆ ಎಂಬುದರ ಒಂದು ಗ್ರಾಫಿಕಲ್ ರಿಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು. ಹಿಯರ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ. ಓಕೆ, the existence of atmosphere on the earth is due to. Option A, the revolution of the earth around the sun. Option B, the rotation of the earth. Option C, the gravitational force of the earth. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಡಿ, ನನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಅಬೌವ್. ಭೂಮಿಯ ಮೇಲೆ ವಾತಾವರಣದ ಅಸ್ತಿತ್ವವು ಯಾವುದರಿಂದ ಕಾರಣವಾಗಿದೆ. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ, ಸೂರ್ಯನ ಸುತ್ತ ಭೂಮಿಯ ಸುತ್ತುವುದು, ರೆವಲ್ಯೂಷನ್. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ, ಭೂಮಿಯ ತಿರುಗುವಿಕೆ. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ, ಭೂಮಿಯ ಗುರುತ್ವಾಕರ್ಷಣ ಶಕ್ತಿ. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಡಿ, ಮೇಲಿನ ಯಾವುದೂ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಎಸ್, ಹಿಯರ್ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ, ದಿ ಗ್ರಾವಿಟೇಷನಲ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಅರ್ತ್. Yes, the existence of atmosphere on the earth is due to gravitational force of the earth. ಭೂಮಿಯ ಮೇಲೆ ವಾತಾವರಣ ಅಸ್ತಿತ್ವಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾರಣ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಭೂಮಿಯ ಗುರುತ್ವಾಕರ್ಷಣ ಶಕ್ತಿ. Yes, the next question is the transfer of food energy through a chain of organisms from one trophic level to another is called. Option A energy chain, option B food chain, option C trophic chain, option D organism chain. ಜೀವಿಗಳ ಸರಪಳಿಯ ಮೂಲಕ ಆಹಾರ ಶಕ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಒಂದು ಟ್ರಾಪಿಕ್ ಮಟ್ಟದಿಂದ ಇನ್ನೊಂದಕ್ಕೆ ವರ್ಗಾಯಿಸುವುದನ್ನು ಏನೆಂದು ಕರೆಯಲಾಗ್ತದೆ? ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಚೈನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಸರಪಳಿ, ಆಹಾರ ಸರಪಳಿ, ಟ್ರಾಪಿಕ್ ಸರಪಳಿ, ಜೀವಿ ಸರಪಳಿ. ಎಸ್, ಹಿಯರ್ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಈಸ್ ಫುಡ್ ಚೈನ್. ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಆಹಾರ ಸರಪಳಿ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ದ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಆಫ್ ಫುಡ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ through a chain of organisms from one trophic to another level, it is known as the food chain. Yes, a food chain, it is a linear network of links in a food web. Yes, it starts from the producer organisms and it ends with the predator species or decomposers. Yes, please remember it, food chain, it is going to start from the producers and it is going to end with the decomposers. And a food chain also shows how the organisms are related with each other by the food they eat. Yes, each level of a food chain represents a different trophic level. Yes, here you can see grass producers, then primary producers, then comes secondary consumer, then tertiary consumers, then predator, then at the end decomposers. Yes, population consists of option A organisms in a species that are capable of reproducing among themselves, option B different species that can interbreed, option C collective members of a species living and interacting across the biosphere, option D some organisms that may not belong to any species. ಜನಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಏನನ್ನ ಒಳಗೊಂಡಿದೆ? ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ ತಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂತಾನೋತ್ಪತ್ತಿ ಮಾಡುವ ಸಾಮರ್ಥ್ಯ ಇರುವ ಜಾತಿಯ ಜೀವಿಗಳು, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ ಸಂತಾನೋತ್ಪತ್ತಿ ಮಾಡುವ ವಿಭಿನ್ನ ಜಾತಿಗಳು, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ ಜೀವಗೋಳದಾದ್ಯಂತ ವಾಸಿಸುವ ಮತ್ತು ಸಂವಹನ ನಡೆಸುವ ಜಾತಿಯ ಸಾಮೂಹಿಕ ಸದಸ್ಯರು, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಡಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಜಾತಿಗೆ ಸೇರದ ಕೆಲವು ಜೀವಿಗಳು. ಎಸ್, ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಸ್ಪೀಸೀಸ್ ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಂಟರಾಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಕ್ರಾಸ್ ದಿ ಬಯೋಸ್ಪಿಯರ್. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ ಇಸ್ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಜನಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಎಂಬುದು ಜೀವಗೋಳದಾದ್ಯಂತ ವಾಸಿಸುವ ಮತ್ತು ಸಂವಹನ ನಡೆಸುವ ಜಾತಿಯ ಸಾಮೂಹಿಕ ಸದಸ್ಯರನ್ನು ಒಳಗೊಂಡಿರುತ್ತದೆ. ಕಲೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಪೀಸೀಸ್ ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಂಟರಾಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಬಯೋಸ್ಪಿಯರ್. ಎಸ್, ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಪಿರಾಮಿಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ inverted, option B always horizontal, option C sometimes diagonal, option D none of the above. ಶಕ್ತಿ ಪಿರಾಮಿಡ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ತಲೆ ಕೆಳಗಾಗಿರುತ್ತದೆ, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಅಡ್ಡಲಾಗಿರುತ್ತದೆ, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ ಕರ್ಣೀಯವಾಗಿರುತ್ತದೆ, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಡಿ ಯಾವುದು ಅಲ್ಲ. ಎಸ್, ಹಿಯರ್ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಟೆಡ್. ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಪಿರಾಮಿಡ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಟೆಡ್. ಶಕ್ತಿ ಪಿರಾಮಿಡ್ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ತಲೆ ಕೆಳಗಾಗಿರುತ್ತದೆ. ಎಸ್, ಹಿಯರ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ecological pyramid, producers, primary consumer, secondary consumer, and at the end tertiary consumer. These are the different levels, and the energy pyramid is always upright or vertical, and it shows the flow of energy at different trophic levels. Energy is minimum at the highest trophic level. Yes, here the energy is minimum and the energy is maximum at lowest trophic level. With producer energy is with producers energy is maximum, and with tertiary consumers energy is minimum. Yes, the next question is total organic matter in an ecosystem is called biome, biotic community, plants, biomass. ಎಸ್, ಪರಿಸರ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆಯಲ್ಲಿನ ಒಟ್ಟು ಸಾವಯವ ಪದಾರ್ಥವನ್ನು ಏನೆಂದು ಕರೆಯುತ್ತೇವೆ? ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ ಬಯೋಮ್, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ ಜೈವಿಕ ಸಮುದಾಯ, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ ಸಸ್ಯಗಳು, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಡಿ ಜೀವರಾಶಿ. Yes, here the right answer is option D biomass. Total organic matter in ecosystem is known as the biomass. ಪರಿಸರ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆಯಲ್ಲಿನ ಒಟ್ಟು ಸಾವಯವ ಪದಾರ್ಥವನ್ನು ನಾವು ಜೀವರಾಶಿ ಎಂದು ಕರೆಯುತ್ತೇವೆ. Yes, the next question is a temperature inversion is a condition when the air, option A near the ground is lighter, option B near the ground is cooler than air at the higher altitudes, Option C, near the ground is hotter than that at the higher altitude. Option D, none of the above. Yes, a temperature inversion, it is a condition near the ground is cooler than air at the higher altitudes. Option B is the right answer. Yes, here you can see temperature inversion, it is also known as the thermal inversion. Yes, please remember, temperature inversion, it is also known as the thermal inversion. It is a reversal of the normal behavior of temperature in the troposphere. Yes, where a layer of cool air at the surface is overlain by a layer of the warmer air. It is known as the temperature inversion. Here you can see it is the normal condition, and it is where layer of the cool air at the surface is overlain by the warmer air. It is known as the temperature inversion. Yes, the next question is, in an ecotone, the species which become abundant are called. Option, ecotone ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇರಳವಾಗಿರುವ ಜಾತಿಗಳನ್ನು ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ? In an ecotone, the species which become abundant are called. Option A, keystone species. Option B, endemic species. Option C, edge species. Option D, poster species. Yes, here the right answer is option C, edge species. Yes, the next question is, in which of the following layers of the atmosphere ozone gas is present? ವಾತಾವರಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಳಗಿನ ಯಾವ ಪದರಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಓಝೋನ್ ಅನಿಲವಿದೆ? ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಟೋಸ್ಫಿಯರ್, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ ಮೆಸೋಸ್ಫಿಯರ್, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ ಟ್ರೋಪೋಸ್ಫಿಯರ್, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಡಿ ನನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಅಬವ್. ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಯು ನೋ ಇಟ್, ವೆರಿ ಈಸಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಇನ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಟೋಸ್ಫಿಯರ್, yes, ozone O3 gas will be found in stratosphere. Yes, most ozone, about 90% is found in the stratosphere, which begins about 10 to 16 kilometer. Yes, stratosphere, it starts from 10 kilometer and up to 16 kilometers or 6 to 10 miles above the earth surface and extends up to 50 kilometers. And the stratospheric region with the highest ozone concentration is commonly known as the ozone layer. The next question is, the most dynamic layer of the atmosphere in terms of climatic and weather conditions. Yes, in which layer the climatic and weather conditions are taking place. ಹವಾಮಾನ ಮತ್ತು ಹವಾಮಾನ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಸಿದಂತೆ ವಾತಾವರಣದ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಕ್ರಿಯಾತ್ಮಕ ಪದರ ಯಾವುದು? ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ ಟ್ರೋಪೋಸ್ಫಿಯರ್, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ ಅಯೋನೋಸ್ಫಿಯರ್, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಟೋಸ್ಫಿಯರ್, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಡಿ ಮೆಸೋಸ್ಫಿಯರ್. ದ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ is ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ, troposphere is the correct answer. Yes, climatic conditions will take place in the troposphere. Yes, the total amount of organic matter on earth or in any particular ecosystem area is called biomass. Biomass is usually measured as the amount per unit surface area. Yes, this is the definition of biomass. Okay, some slides have been changed here. Okay, the next question is, assertion conserving our oil resources is critical to human survival. Yes, assertion is conserving our oil resources is critical to human survival, and the reason is soil is home to many microorganisms and contains minerals. Yes, the first one is both A and R are true. R is the correct explanation of A. Second one, both A and R are true and R is not the correct explanation of A. Option 3, A is true, R is false. Option 4, A is false, R is true. Yes, the right answer is option 2. Both A and R are correct, but R is the not correct explanation. Conserving our soil resources is critical to human survival. This is also correct. Soil is home to many microorganisms. This is also correct, but there is no relationship between assertion and reason. The next question is, among the following fuels of energy, which is the most environment friendly? ಕೆಳಗಿನ ಶಕ್ತಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಪರಿಸರ ಸ್ನೇಹಿಯಾಗಿದೆ? ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ ಇಥನಾಲ್, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ ಬಯೋಗ್ಯಾಸ್, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ CNG, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಡಿ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್. ಎಸ್, ದ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಡಿ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್. ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಫ್ಯೂಯಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಎನ್ವೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಲಿ. ಇದು ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಎಂಬುದು ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಪರಿಸರ ಸ್ನೇಹಿ ಇಂಧನವಾಗಿದೆ. Yes friends, this is about our today's session. Once again I would like to remind you about our test series where we are providing 40 mock tests for paper 1 with 1000 MCQs. You can also download all the 40 tests and ebook we are going to provide you only at 999. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು 40 ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ಗಳನ್ನು ನೀಡಬಹುದು, 1000 MCQಗೆ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಆಗಬಹುದು. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ PDF ಅನ್ನು ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ಈ ಬುಕ್ ಅನ್ನು ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಕೇವಲ 999 ರೂಪಾಯಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ. So you can join these numbers to join. You can contact these two numbers to join. And for UGC NET paper 1 also we are providing you 60 tests. 40 are beginners level, 10 are intermediate level and another 10 are advanced level. For paper 2 economics also we are providing you 10 mock tests. These 10 mock tests will cover your entire syllabus. Here also you can download PDF with answers only at rupees 999. And for paper 2 English literature also we are providing you tests, 10 tests only at 999. Okay friends, this is about our today's session. I wish all the best for all KSET aspirants. For more videos, for mock tests, for paper 1 and other for UGC NET and other state set, you can subscribe to Global Online University YouTube channel.